welcome back to the vlog, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing my parcel from Lazada. Okay, from Lazada mga langga. So kailangan natin siyang i-unboxing dahil parang ang dami. So I go to mini desk because yeah, I need it. So, bubuksan na natin. Ano nga ba itong aking in-order from Lazada. So, sa Lazada, guys, hindi sa TikTok. Talaga. From Lazada. And let's count how many. And one box. I think, I forgot how many. Oh, so many. I can't believe that. So, one. So, this is tissue. So I order more, so that one only order in one time, but you can use for long time. Okay, so this is it. So this 5. Oh my god, 3, 4 and 5. So each 5. Yun mga langga, so nag-order tayo ng tissue. So, bawat isa na ganito ay may laman siya na 10 pesos. 10 pesos, guys. Yung laman. Pwede na, di ba? Na makatipid na. Okay? Look at that. Ang dami niya, langga. Oh. May magagamit na ako. Okay. So many tissue. Ang ganda kasi nito gamitin kasi pag ginanon mo siya sa ilong, hindi siya nadudugmok. Okay, that's only my video for today. That's only my unboxing video, and thank you so much for watching. Short video lang guys ng unboxing, no? Kasi mabilisan lang ito na video, and I will show you clearly what is this kind of tissue. Hindi ba siya makita? Ayan. So 10 pieces siya guys. 10 pieces in every one pack. So I order more. Okay? So 5 packs. Okay, so short video for this unboxing guys, and I will show you. Okay. Oh, ang dami ba? Ang dami man. 5 pieces. Okay. Oh, if you like to order that, you can order that in Lazada. Oh, 200 pesos, 200 plus. So you have that. Smooth. And every one pack there is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.